Now, there have been some seriously crazy crashes in motorsport racing in the last few weeks. One being the John Force NHRA crash, which I'll leave a little card to the top right here. And this is Santino Ferrucci in the Toronto Indycar race. And you can see that guy right there spinning his paddle award, just kind of innocuous crash. And then all hell breaks loose. He becomes a ramp. That's basically what it is. The front of that car just becomes an absolute ramp. And it is a blind corner. There's no problem. Like, you can't blame him for any part of this. He crashes. It happens. But one guy hits it right there and then just rails. And you gotta say, this is a big, I don't know, big advertisement or big award for the Halo that one, some you can crash like this, go completely upside down, slide on the ground, and be, as far as I'm aware, okay. As far as I know, they checked him out and he's okay. He got up and walked out. Here it is. That the Halo is incredible. There is so many people that would be either seriously injured or dead without it, and you have to say what a great engineering piece of piece of engineering, especially for racing. But things like this are it's just this is what can happen in racing, and there's no fault for anybody. It's just the craziness that can be this. One person crashes on a blind corner, nobody else knows, and especially a car shaped the way that they are, it just becomes a ramp and launches somebody into the safety fence and upside down onto the roof of the car. Not really roof, but I don't know. Comment below. Tell me, do you watch IndyCar? Are you into this? Are you into NHRA or whatever it is? Comment down below. And while you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out. And I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.